BJP MLA Mayaben Kodnani, Bajrang Dal leader Babu Bajrangi and 29 others were today sentenced to life imprisonment in the 2002 Naroda Patia riots case. Kodnani was given 28 years of imprisonment under two different provisions, while Babu Bajrangi was sentenced to imprisonment for his entire life. Kodnani and Bajrangi were convicted in the case on Wednesday. Special Court Judge Jyotsna Yagnik convicted them on charges of conspiracy and murder in the case. 97 people were killed in the Naroda Patia massacre.
Former Gujarat Minister Maya Kodnani sentenced to life for 18 years and a 10-year serial sentence, making it a 28-year term in jail. The BJP MLA and the Bajrang Dal leader are the two most powerful faces amongst 31 convicts who were sentenced to life for carrying out the mass killings of 97 people in Naroda Patia during the 2002 Gujarat riots. The rest of the convicts were sentenced to life for 21 years. The Naroda Patia massacre was not just the worst in terms of the number of people killed in a single incident, but also in terms of the horrific nature of the killings. It was here that Kausar Banu, a woman who was 9 months pregnant, was raped, murdered and burnt. The verdict today has also made this the case with the highest number of convictions and life sentences. But activists believe that it's an unprecedented victory because it's the first time a BJP MLA who instigated the mobs has been brought to justice.
अदालत से हमको इतना इंसाफ मिला, हमको बहुत खुश है। पर अल्लाह का बहुत बड़ा एहसान है, हमको इंसाफ ऐसा मिल जाए। हमारे दिल को आज सुकून मिला, 10 बरस के बाद आज हमें बहुत सुकून मिला कि इनको इतनी सजा मिली।
It's also a great moment of victory for the SIT appointed by the Supreme Court. The Naroda Patia case is the 5th amongst the 8 major post-Godhra riot cases where the SIT has got convictions and life sentences for most of the accused. The number of convictions and life sentences in Gujarat is also perhaps unprecedented in terms of riot cases in India's history.
आज कोर्ट ने तमाम 31 आरोपियों को लाइफ टाइम आजीवन कारावास का सजा दिया है, जिसमें कोर्ट ने अलग अलग तबक्कों में सजा दिया है, जिसमें आरोपी नंबर 18 यानी बाबू बजरंगी को जब तक वो मरे नहीं तब तक की सजा दी है। मायाबेन को 18 साल और दूसरे सेक्शन में उनको 10 साल का सजा दिया है, जिसमें कोर्ट ने कहा है कि जब तक ये 10 साल का सजा कंप्लीट नहीं होता उसके बाद ही लाइफ टाइम का सजा गिना जाएगा। इस तरह से मायाबेन को 28 साल तक का सजा दिया है और उसके अलावा दूसरे आरोपियों को भी लाइफ टाइम का सजा दिया है और डिफरेंट सेक्शंस के तहत भी सजाएं सुनाई गई है। और इस सारे केस में विटनेस नंबर 205 जिनके साथ गैंग रेप होने का कोर्ट ने कबूल किया है, लेकिन उसके सामने आरोपियों के सामने पुरावा नहीं होने के कारण उनको छोड़ा गया है, लेकिन कोर्ट ने माना है कि विटनेस नंबर 205 के साथ गैंग रेप हुआ है तो उसको 5 लाख रुपया कॉम्पेंसेशन राज्य सरकार के उससे देने के लिए कहा है।
In nutshell, Mayaben will go behind the bar for 10 plus 18. The rest of the accused, other than Babu Bajrangi, 10 plus 21. And Babu Bajrangi will go behind the bar for the rest of the life, that is, till he survives.
It's a very welcome verdict. 7 others have been given imprisonment of, I think, 21 years. The entire verdict will come upon us now. I'm also hoping now that thanks to the maturity and measuredness of this verdict, those convicted in the Godhra train burning for 59 persons will also get only life imprisonment.
What do you want to say about?
The Judge Jyotsna Yagnik has also made very strong observations about communal violence in general and the kind of reprisal communal violence that broke out in Ahmedabad in Naroda Patia on 28th February 2002, calling it a cancer that is corroding our society, and this is a very welcome observation.